roads are kind of crappy. I mean, I don't know. I guess they will say that a plow came through here, but I don't see it. Even still, I'm just taking my time. It's never really worth it to rush anyway. Some of these all-wheel drive people, I guess they feel a little differently. Now, I'm almost sure that some of these people don't have any sure grip on this road. And when I say sure grip, I mean where when you're driving and you can actually for sure know that the car is going to go in the direction that you're pointing. I mean, yeah, you turn the wheel and you feel that, you know, you may go, but you never know. Slippery surface. You could go in an exact opposite direction. I'm barely doing, what is that, 30 miles an hour? Barely. You know, I don't know, I don't really think I would need to go any faster than this, especially for where I'm going. Got that mall over here. This is Bay Plaza. Huge. Pretty big mall. It's got J.C. Penney's. I think they're making a Macy's, PC Richards. PC Richards. A few things. Oh, strawberries. You can go there and get a strawberry. You want a strawberry? These are the conditions for today, what I'm driving in. Nice slow ride to Granny's house. And I guess, I don't know, we're gonna have to see what we're gonna be dealing with tomorrow. I don't know, once daylight hits. It's right now, it's is that clock right? That clock can't be right. Midnight 15, 12:15, midnight 15. And only light that this camera right now has to go off of is my headlights and I guess these other lights that are out here. Little Kodak ZX5. Nice, fun, waterproof camera. And I'm getting off the highway. It's my high school over there with those lights on it. Or at least was my high school. It still is my high school. I did go there.